Welcome to Rapid Tech Stories. The Realme 10 Pro Plus, the newest Pro smartphone in the Realme list, is now available. The mid-range smartphone is one of the most reasonably priced smartphones on the market with a curved display. There are three colors available for the Realme 10 Pro Plus. The 6.7-inch OLED display on the Realme 10 Pro Plus is FHD+, has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and is HDR10 Plus certified, but more notably, it is curved, a first in this price range. The display is attractive to look at and is sufficiently bright at 800 nits peak brightness. The twin stereo speakers and curved OLED display with HDR10 Plus contribute to a respectable audio-visual experience. Before we go further, if you find this interesting, please like the video as it will help with YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to our channel. The MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC, which is essentially Dimensity 920, the processor that powered the Realme 9 Pro Plus, is what powers the Realme 10 Pro Plus. Realme unveiled Realme UI 4 with the Realme 10 Pro series. Even though it has a ton of features and runs on Android 13, the quantity of bloatware and ads disappoints. The Realme 10 Pro Plus has a 108MP primary camera compared to the 50MP camera on the Realme 9. Yes, it is an improvement, but there is no optical image stabilization, which is not a significant deal but lowers the video quality. Rest camera modules are borrowed from Realme 9 Pro Plus. The 80-watt charger that comes with the 10 Pro Plus can only be used at 67 watt, which is still fairly quick because it only takes 30 minutes to fully charge the battery. Additionally, the 5000 mAh battery has enough juice to last a day. The Realme 10 Pro Plus 5G is offered in a variety of price brackets. 6GB plus 128GB costs 23,999 rupees. 8GB plus 128GB costs 25,999 rupees. Additionally, the 8GB plus 256GB model will set you back for 27,999 rupees. That's all for today, see you next time. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.